Here we go. It is the 20th of December. We're so close now. All right, what do we got behind our door today? We have got, it's Jonathan, it's Paisley's dad. So now the family is complete for this Christmas anyway. Oh no, that makes me so sad. Anyway, let's put Jonathan together and we're going to enjoy this and like this gorgeous Christmas scene that we are creating, this holiday scene for Paisley's family and her extended family, Ollie. Okay, so let's pop his legs on and his torso on. He's wearing exactly the same outfit that he has in every other Lego Friends set that he's come in, which totally tracks because, like, I don't know about you, but the men in my life, my dad, my husband, my son, they refuse to wear new clothes. So I reckon that he's just going to wear these over and over again until they get holes in them. Or maybe just has a whole wardrobe full of exactly the same clothes because he just likes them so much. Now he's got an axe and he is doing some wood chopping. Yeah, he's handy. He's a handyman. The handyman can. Oh yeah, all right. So, okay, and he's got his, yeah, it's got a wood stump thing to put his wood on to split it. I mean, I'm pretending I know something about cutting wood, like chopping wood for fireplaces. It's not really a terribly common thing. I mean, it is where I live, but it's not, we don't need it to get through our winters. They're pretty mild. Yeah, okay, so we have got our wood getting ready to be split. We've got some already waiting down there for him to get to it. Chop, chop, chop. And this can be outside, a part of our outside scene for our little Lego Paisley house. Let's get the whole family out though, because we've now got them all. We've got Jonathan, got Rose, we have got somewhere over here an extra bit of wood, so we'll put that out of the way. We've got Paisley and we've got baby Ella, and I mean, they've got their surrogate child, their extra neighborhood child, Ollie. Oh my gosh, this is just too adorable. Okay, next one, Disney Princess, door number 20. Let's see what we have. So we had, oh, it's Mirabelle, which is appropriate because you guys told me yesterday the candle was Mirabelle's candle. I didn't even clock that, you know, because her candle in Lego form is yellow. Like there's an actual proper Lego version of the candle from her story, so it's like a translucent yellow with a little butterfly printed on it. So I didn't even interpret the candle as her candle, but obviously it is. It's a Christmas version. So we've got Mirabelle. That was a lot. It was a lot while we were just putting this together. And she has got a present because all of these little micro dolls are coming with presents because they are so well mannered. They don't go anywhere without bringing a gift. Look at them. Look at them go. So Mirabelle's got hers, and we've got some extra pieces we can make into a present later on. And here's her tiny version of the magical house. All right, I will see you again for tomorrow. We are on the countdown now. All right, see you soon. Bye.